keep you updated on the capital and financial markets. Here is a recap of what happened. Thailand's stock and futures exchanges are implementing a new trading system that will allow more foreign investors to access the country's capital market. The new system, which will be operational from the 8th of May, can disseminate trading data to the systems of bourse members and other data providers and enhance surveillance tools to efficiently detect and analyze abnormal trading, the Stock Exchange of Thailand says in a statement on the 28th of April. According to the bourse, it aligns with international standards and uses protocol used in most exchanges globally, in order to increase opportunities for foreign investors to access the Thai capital market. The flexible and standard structure of the new trading system will allow the SET and Thailand Futures Exchange to provide more diverse global products with shorter implementation time, the bourse adds. The relatively new trust market of Cambodia is growing fast, and the funds invested in the trusts will soon reach the $1 billion mark, according to Sok Dara, Director General of the Trust Regulator, on the 2nd of May. Making the opening remarks at a seminar on trust regulation in Cambodia, organized by the Malaysian Business Council of Cambodia with the support of the Embassy of Malaysia and the Trust Regulator, the Director General said that there are 512 trusts in the country now, with total funds reaching $940 million. It is a matter of time before the sector reaches the $1 billion mark, which may happen as soon as this month itself, Dara said. The trust sector of Cambodia is relatively young, with the country adopting the trust law in 2019. The trust regulator was established later, but the sector has since made remarkable growth in just under 2 years, especially by attracting foreign investments. Thailand's mutual fund industry attracted 40.1 billion baht of net inflows in the first quarter, roughly half of it going into bond funds, and the total net asset value rose 2.1%, according to Morningstar. Investors pumped in a net 21.6 billion baht into bond funds in January through March, 2.5 times more than the 8.7 billion baht that went into equity funds, Morningstar says in a new report. Fixed-term bond funds, which give investors regular income, attracted the highest net inflows of 48.3 billion baht, followed by 38.2 billion baht into capital-protected bond funds. The Securities and Exchange Board of India on the 3rd of May said a proposal to allow a new category of mutual fund schemes where charges will partly be linked to performance is being examined. A working group has been set up which is going to review. One of the suggestions is that if any scheme or fund is performing well above the benchmark, fees can be linked to their performance. If the committee finds any merit, then the proposal can be taken for further discussion through a consultation paper, Ananta Barua, whole-time member, SEBI, said at the CII Mutual Fund Summit. Barua said a performance-linked incentive is part of various other proposals, related to the total expense ratio, being reviewed by the regulator. The regulator also said it has asked asset management companies to suspend the small-town linked incentive structure. Political leaders do not normally concern themselves with the performance of asset managers. But for Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida, it appears that the state of his country's asset management business is a national issue that demands his personal attention. This explains his extraordinary recent intervention when he called for fundamental reforms in the Japanese asset management sector in order to boost its performance and attract the country's vast 2 quadrillion yen household savings into national income and growth-boosting investments. It is important to fundamentally improve the asset management business, Nikkei Asia quoted Kishida as saying at a government economic policy panel on the 27th of April. We will free up 2 quadrillion yen in household financial assets and build an asset management industry that contributes to sustainable growth. His comments reflect his wish to create a form of new capitalism in Japan, a plan he announced in 2021 where a far greater proportion of the nation's savings would flow out of cash and bank deposits and into stock market investment. The latest e-zine is now available for download at FIMM's official website. This edition features articles on the usage of social media for investment marketing, an introduction to vulnerable investors, as well as the recent Global Money Week. Download your copy today and stay informed about the latest developments in the industry. This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.